Mr. Hebblethwaite, did P&O have a duty to consult the unions in good time over the redundancies pursuant to Section 188 of the Trade Union Act of 1992?
So there's absolutely no doubt that we were required to consult with the unions. We chose not to do that because we believe...
You chose to break the law?
Because we chose not to consult, and we will will compensate everybody in full for that. I recognise that this is a really
When you get in your car and drive down the motorway and you see the 70-mile-an-hour sign, do you say that that's not going to apply to me, I'm going to do 90 because I think it's important that I do that? Is that how you go about your life?
No.
No, it isn't. Did the collective agreements in place between P&O and RMT and Nautilus provide for negotiation over such matters as redundancies?
Sorry, could you rephrase the question?
You had collective agreements.
Correct.
With RMT and Nautilus. That provides for negotiation over such matters as redundancies. You've done it before. Why didn't you do it? What was the moral justification for you not doing that?
Okay, so these are very extreme circumstances. In order to answer that question fully, can I explain the difference between the operational model that we previously had and the one that we are moving to, so that you understand how fundamental a change it is, and that helps me explain why we had to take the route we had to take. Would you allow me to do that?
As the Chair has already pointed out, there's many companies that have difficulties. They obey the law and they consult with their members through their trade unions. You haven't done that.
We've moved from one operating model to another. And
you haven't escaped the law of this country. You've still got to do it within the legal framework. You can't just decide that you're going to absent yourself from the legal system of the United Kingdom.
So it was our assessment that the change was of such a magnitude that no union could possibly accept our proposal.
Oh, you're right about that, Mr. Hamilton. I've never heard such farcical answers to a series of questions.